So dear friends, in this session we discuss the creativity. As we all know that in the mid 60s 70s the market condition changed due to the globalizations. So due to gaining more and more competition and product diversity, which has changed the entire scenario of the world market. The listening of customer was into focus regarding innovation, and companies that ignored the customer voice found themselves losing the market share. Now, the creativity. It is an ability, attitude, and a process. That means creativity is an ability to imagine or invent something new to the existing. It is ability to generate new ideas by combining, changing, reapplying existing idea. Sometimes ideas are astonishing, brilliant, and some have simple, good, practical ideas that no one seems to have thought yet. Everyone has a creative ability. When we observe the activity of the children, we observe and found how they are creative. And in the adult also have creativity, but it's suppressed through education's pattern. Everyone needs to be creative is to make commitment to creativity. So we can say it is also an attitude, the ability to accept change and the newness, a willingness to play with ideas and possibilities, a habit of enjoying good while looking for ways to improve it. It is also an creative process, someone who work hand and continually to improve idea and solutions. So as a creative person, know that there is always room for improvements. It is the process of bringing something new into being. So creativity is use of imaginations or original idea to create something. It is an ability to see the world with their own ways. That means if we see the object, then everyone predict on the object differently. So everyone connected to that particular objects, and the perception of individuals are may or may not be same. So we can say that ability to see the world with their own way and connected unrelated data to obtain the solutions. Creativity is a practiced, it is a cognitive skill that can be experienced and acquired. So as we know that the engine behind research and development are the creativity and innovations. So creativity is defined as ability to generate ideas. So it is the subset of innovations and refers primarily to idea generations. Innovations are defined more narrowly as ideas, the product, the services and the processes that are perceived as being new and different, have been designed, built and commercialized. So innovation thus includes both creative idea generations and the actual implementation of idea. An invention is an innovation that is not ready for prime time. Inventions are ideas that have been built or conceptualized. So creativity is a force behind the innovation and inventions. So this figure illustrates the creative process that incorporate problem solving, learning about and learning by doing concepts. So it starts from the trigger, means click the problem or opportunity, and on the basis of this opportunity we have to learn about by searches, various literatures, conferences, papers, or the competitor products, and then synthesis and analyze the problem on the basis of this search, or then sometimes we incubate, contemplate and discuss problem or opportunities. That means we have to, whatever we think, it should be discussed among a group regarding the problem or an opportunity. Then next step is learn by doing. It is generally used for the product development, like design of a product, develop and build product system or a service. And the next step is develop to know how integrate inside and the knowledge. The first one is trigger, means click. This is the problem or opportunity that initiate to create the creative process. It can be at home, maybe at workplace, play, or while traveling. That means if we have in our mind some problems, then idea can be click anywhere, maybe at home, maybe at workplace, during playing, or maybe when we are traveling. So as and when the idea is to be clicked, then the next step is learn about the activities. It involves searching the information and synthesizing that information. That means as and when the idea or a problem is identified, then we start searching the various informations related to the that products. It may be from the various research papers, or it may be some competitors' products. So it also involves struggling to understand the information and the creation of the new knowledge by analyzing the problems or opportunity. It includes reading books and magazines, one-to-one dialogues. We can discuss this problem with our colleagues, even maybe a family members, or the persons who are working of such type of problems for a longer period of times. So we can say the knowledgeable individuals looking at competitors' offering, interaction with suppliers, customers, attending various courses, trade shows, symposia and the conference. So as and when the idea or the problem is to be clicked, then we start searching the solutions by various activities which we discuss here. Then it incubates. Incubation gives the mind time to work on the problem in the backgrounds. This not only involving conceptions but also involve engaging in one-to-one dialogue with family, friends, colleagues on the problem or opportunity. The next step is learn by doing. This problem generally involves in designing or constructing a solution to the problem or opportunity. It also involves in designing, building prototypes, modeling with diagram, drawing pictures, developing flowcharts, drawing digital or a CAD diagram in 2D or 3D CAD, conducting simulations, identify system specifications, and developing system mock-ups. So if the idea behind the product or a service involves a complex process, that means in a particular product there are so many components used to produce, then flow diagram can be constructed, or a business process diagrams can be developed with the presentation software or a specialized flow chart and the business process diagramming software. Development of know-how. The expertise, skill and knowledge that can be used to produce product or service. Means for developing a product, it needs the expertise or a skill. So it is the outcome of the creativity that can be used to provide insight and to build and construct product, service or business process. Generally in startups and small organizations, this knowledge is in the mind of owner, management and the staff. These knowledge can be codified as it contains description of the process for providing products, what the organization is good and what is not so good, job descriptions and link to individuals with certain expertise, description of how business process and task are to be completed. So these are the various activities needed when we develop and produce a product. So the whole process is iterative, and in a creative thinking process, first we need to participative of developing models. Sometimes the model produced by us are exactly similar, that is in literature. That means whatever the idea click in our mind, whatever the creative thinking of an individual, when they prepare a models, then they observe that the model he or she made are exactly similar, which is available in the literatures. Then we conclude that we can feel good, that means we are thinking in a right directions for developing a publishable idea. We might come up with other approach as found in literature. We look at what some else do with our ideas. Will be saved too much by their views. Means we have to approach the various literatures and compare our link, how they can solve this particular problem. So what is the ideology of those persons? Sometimes idea needs incubate. So we want to start modeling as early as possible. So when we read what others have done, their idea can interact with others and hopefully produce something new and interesting. That means whatever the idea, we have to start modeling on that particular ideas, and as early as we reaches at the solution of a problems and compare it with the others and try to produce something new which is already published solutions. So we try to give the solution on a particular problems slightly differ which is already published. So we can say creative process are iterative and recursive. So we can spend a little time on learning about by examining just a few magazines or talking to few people, and then go to learning by doing, and let the idea session in the incubation phase. Then might go back to the learn about the stage or a trigger stage. We begin the converge on the solutions to the problem. The initial search process should be limited to a few sources, and then we expand in order to take advantage of the ideas that have been missed early stage of creative process, that we can go repeatedly from the first to the final steps. So in the second time, when we starting from the beginnings, then we observe that some of the things we are missing in the early stage. So with the passage of time, or after a certain iterations, the idea have been more creative as the earliest idea of a particular problem solutions. So due to imaginative attitude, sometimes it blocks the creativity. We also seen that some of the persons, they are thinking that they are not able to solve that a particular problems, because they think the reaction is to platform is often a bigger problem, where a problem is an opportunity. Happiest people always welcome taken as challenges and opportunity to improve the things. A problem is seeing the difference between what you have and what you want. That means whenever any problem triggers, first we have to see the things which are already existed. From that we have to learn what is already developed, and now what actually we want to develop. Recognize and believing that there is something better than the current situations. Opportunity for positive act if we take the problem aggressively and positively. So whenever the problem arises or comes in front of us, always think positively and work on a particular problem aggressively. So it builds the confidence, and when we get some solutions, it also increases the happiness. Some people think it can't be done. As and when the problem comes, they surrender. They start thinking, I am not able to solve this particular problems. So if everyone think in same way, men will never fly, diseases will never conquer, rocket will never leave atmosphere. That means if everybody start thinking, I am not able to solve these problems, then it is not possible all of us for remove the diseases. We never fly. That means we are not invent the aeroplanes. We are not able to invent the rockets which leaves the atmosphere. So the appropriate attitude is summed up by the statement, the difficult we do immediately, the impossible take a little later. That means some of the problems are difficult, and if we are creative, then we start thinking, okay, difficult problems we can solve immediately. We start thinking on a particular problem and start solving a particular situations. And in some situations, may the problem is likely impossible, then we took such type of problems little later. Some of the persons start thinking, I can't do it, or there is nothing I can do. Some people think after seeing the problems, that this can be solved by some experts. So as I am not a smart enough, I am not an engineer, I am not an expert or educated for such type of problems. So it is the mental situation of the some persons. As and when the problems comes, they start thinking, I am not belong to this type of problems because I am not an engineer, or I am not so smart enough. So it may or might be take the help of some experts who are working in this directions. So if you see the history, the persons are not belonging to a particular field, they invented the things which are not related to those fellows. The first one is the Wright brothers. They invent airplanes. They are not aviation engineers. They are not expert. They are not doing the education in aviations, as they are simply a bicycle mechanics. So it can we give the ballpoint pen was invented by a printer proofreaders. The fire extinguisher invented by a captain of military. So with these examples we understand that it is not necessary that a person who belongs to a particular field that he or she is only solving such problems. So in nutshell, a good mind with positive attitude and some good problem solving skills will go far in solving any problems. Some of the persons start thinking, but I am not creative. As and when the problem comes, they can think, oh, I am not creative, how can I solve such type of problems? So, but practically everyone is creative to some extent. If we see the activities of young children, they play and images. So when we acquaint with any problem and start thinking, moves towards the various steps which we had discussed earlier, soon we discover that realizes us we are also solve such problems, or we are also creative. Some of the people's thinking, if I give any idea, what will the people think? Some peoples are too much social pressure. That means there is a social pressure in the brain of persons. They are thinking, what will the people think? So they are afraid to do some work, and they felt they are ordinarily and not creative. Some are thinking, I might fail. They start thinking, I am not unable to solve such type of problems. So some people, they start thinking the problem and doing some efforts and can't get the solutions, then think I might fail. Means they are not able to solve these problems. We look the efforts of Edison in his search of a filament of a lamp, for he tried about 1800 things. From these examples we learn that if we start solving any problems at initial stage, we are not getting the solutions, then we start frustrating. But from these examples we observe that this fellow who invented the filament of a bulb, he tried 1800 times, and after 1000 attempts someone asked him if he was frustrated at his lack of success. Then he says that, no, I have gained lot of knowledge that I know 100 things can't work. So fear of failure is one of the major obstacles to creativity. And cure is to change your attitudes about failure. So nothing wrong with failing, but failing is a sign of struggle and attempt much better than inaction or not.